Hi, this is Xiaotong. In this video, I'm going to introduce my healthcare monitor UI project. So let's run the app first. Okay, this is the interface of the app. So here you can enter the patient's information, like patient ID, patient name, age, and select sex from male and female. And when you click the wrong button, the plotted graph will show in the view. And when you click stop, it will stop and clear the view. And when you click run again, it will show up again and the previous graph will not be cleaned. As you can see, the graph is not, the pattern of the graph is not changed. Okay, so in next part, I will introduce my code to show how I implemented the functions. So this is the main activity I'm using. The first part is simply just to set the interface to landscape and full screen. And this is to set content view. I have two buttons. So a linear layout is created in the layout to put the graph view in. The graph view class is provided by the class instructor, and I didn't make any change of this class. So I have the horizontal and vertical labels for the graph view. And this is the screw plot class that I created for this project. So in this class, it implements runnable, and I have the handler graph view and a float data set of 1,000 data from here. So first, when we construct this object, it will create a data set of 1,000 random data. And this class also have the method start, stop, delay, and update data. So update data is to extract 40 data as a data set from the data set I created in the constructor. And the start point from my peak is controlled by this count. So from each time the graph view refreshes, the count increase, and this is where I start to pick the data from my data set. And this is how I make my graph moving. So start function is to get the updated data, which is the 40 data set, and use this to draw on canvas of the graph view. I put a delay function, which use a system handler to make a delay of 100 mils, and this can controlled by the frame rate you want for this graph. And the start and stop button will be called in the main activity by the button's on-click listeners. So with my code, you can have this graph plotted and run. You can click stop and run as many times as you want. So that's all about it. Thank you.